Let's face it, after years of long division and Pythagoras and relearning the alphabet, mathematics can become a bit daunting. But you'd be surprised just how far maths has come, and just how useful it can be. Before money was decimalised in the UK, a pound was worth 240 pennies. Each penny was 4 farthings and 12 pennies were worth a shilling, or 48 farthings. If it weren't for mathematical algorithms, your songs might be too big to fit on your MP3 player. And if we didn't have the number pi relating the circumference of a circle to the length of its diameter, pies might be ovals, or squares, or any shape besides a perfect circle. Mathematics has become such a big part of our lives, to the point that we don't even notice it. Just think about it. Why do we stick another digit on after 9 to make 10, when someone else could have done it after 4? Truth is, it was never set in stone from the start. Every culture around the world came up with their own ways to measure, write down, and find solutions with numbers. Eventually, when different cultures started to mingle, they had to agree upon a standard set of rules, much like learning each other's languages, but putting it into one. So when you think of numbers today, you're actually following a multicultural pact based on thousands of years of experimentation. For instance, did you know that 16th century people would have mathematical duels in the streets, throwing challenging problems at each other until one bottled out? Or that Pythagoras developed his infamous theorem relating the lengths of the sides of a right-angled triangle through the Egyptians and their use of a knotted rope with 3 posts to build incredibly accurate buildings. For every mathematical rule you can think of, there's a story behind it. Mathematics is pretty much a part of us, the way we think and the way we go about our lives. Solving a mathematical problem, no matter how abstract, can give us such an immense feeling of reward. Strange that, isn't it? So what are you waiting for? Pick up your pencils and rulers and let's do some maths.